Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to download YouTube application on your laptop or PC. If you want to download, so keep watching this video until the end. So guys, I have opened Microsoft Store on my laptop. I have searched YouTube, but a YouTube application not here, not available on my Microsoft Store. So how to download YouTube application on your laptop? So guys, open Chrome on your laptop or PC, search here youtube.com, and after that tap on it and wait for some second. Now open YouTube in Chrome. Here you can see top right corner download button. Simply tap on download. Here tap on it and simply tap on install YouTube application. Now YouTube application installed successfully. Simply tap on yes, and now go back, and you can see YouTube successfully download on my laptop or PC. You can see I am opening YouTube successfully, running YouTube application successfully download on my laptop or PC. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.